Hi everyone, happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend with your families. I hope you're still staying safe, and I hope you're doing everything you need to do to stay happy. This weekend was my brother's birthday, so we celebrated that. I hope you got outside and enjoyed this crazy snow that came. That was wild. Um, One good thing I can think of is no one's going to be walking into school tomorrow, so no one will fall and slip on the icy stairs going into school. So that's awesome. Anywho, this week, let's get this bread. All right, people. So today our learning target is that I can find the area of rectangles that have fractional side lengths. And when we're talking about area, remember that we're just talking about the space that's taken up by a flat shape. So let's write that down. Its area is, you can write this down on your notebooks right now, is the amount of space inside, remember, inside a flat shape. A flat shape would also be a 2D shape that would also constitute as a flat shape. So let's find the area inside this flat 2D shape. We have, okay, the length is 8 units long, and we have the width is 6 units long. So if I wanted to find the area, I'd want to find out how many boxes are inside of this flat shape. Well, we know that area is length times width. Remember that L is just a fancy L, fancy cursive L. And I know that my length is 8 units. I know that my width is 6 units. And if I multiply 8 times 6, I get 48. Units times units is units squared. So the area of this shape is 48 units squared. Now let's try one with a fractional side unit. That means these two numbers are whole numbers, but we're not going to have whole numbers on this next example. So if I'm going to measure inches out on this rectangle, I'm going to say, okay, that's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inches, and then I'm just going to have a half of inch left. So I'm going to say this is 1 inch long, this is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and then this space left is just a half of inch. It doesn't have a whole inch space, just a half. And let's cut that in half. This is 1 inch and this is 1 inch. So, okay, well, I know that I need to have area is length times width. To find out how many boxes are inside, I'm going to have to find the length and the width. So I know that the total length is that side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 inches and a half. So I have 4.5 inches on this side. And on my width, I have 1, 2. I just have 2 inches on my width. So I know my length is 4.5. Ooh, see, now I have a fraction. And my width is 2 inches. Okay, well, let's multiply. If I'm multiplying by a mixed number or with a fraction, I'm going to change this into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So I have 9 halves times 2. If I have a whole number, I know any number has a 1 on the denominator. When I multiply, I can multiply straight across. And so I have 9 times 2 is 18. And 2 times 1 is 2. I can change this into a whole number. 2 goes into 18 9 times. So I can say in this shape, I have 9 inches squared units of area. This shape holds 9 inches squared of area. Whoa, my bad. Let's get it.